This video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for Exodus. But before that, let me tell you guys what Exodus is. Exodus is a crypto wallet where you guys can store your crypto. So for those people who do not know crypto wallet, in a normal wallet you store your money. Well, crypto is digital, so there's of course like you can't store it in a normal wallet because it's not physical. So for digital assets, we need digital wallets. So for that, Exodus is one of that. So Exodus is a digital crypto storing wallet where you guys can store your crypto. Alright. So let me show you guys how you guys can, sign up for Exodus. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, let me tell you guys who I am. I'm Kevin and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And without any further ado, let's jump right into the video, shall we? First step is you want to download Exodus. After you download it, you just install it. Once you install and open it, you want to click on setting. And once you go on setting, you want to go on backup. Now by backup, what it means is like you can normally store all your crypto on your Exodus wallet, but like if you don't back it up, once you lose your wallet, then it's gone. So basically backing up means you're creating an Exodus account. All right, now once you're over here, you need to enter a password for your account. So let me enter a password from my account real quick. After you enter the password for your account, you want to click on next. Once you click on next, it's gonna ask you to enter a password again to confirm it, so I'm going to do that. After you do that, you click on next. So by doing this, you created a password for your account. Now it's going to give it this 12-digit recovery phrase. Now what you want to do is you need to enter this 12-digit recovery phrase in some place and keep it safe. Now it shows you nothing over here, but you need to hover your mouse on top of it to see the word. So once you see the word, you need to list this according to the number in a page and keep it safe, because in an order like you lose your wallet, then you need this 12 word recovery phrase in order to recover your account again. If you lose this, you can't recover your account, so just keep that in mind. It also shows over here the 12 word recovery phrase allows you to recover your wallet in case you ever lose access to it. Write down the word in a correct order from 1 to 12 and store down them somewhere safe. Anyone with your recovery phrase can spend your funds. Do not show it to anyone. As I told you, it's a recovery phrase. Don't share it with anyone, but you need it for future purpose. All right, so once you save it, you just click on next. Over here, you need to choose the word which was on your backup recovery phrase. So for my gap was the word, so I'm going to click on finish over here. After that, basically my account is created. Now I can store my crypto in it, and in case I lose my account, I can relog in it again by entering that 12 word recovery phrase. Alright, so that's basically how you guys can create your Exodus account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question on how you guys can sign up into Exodus, you can ask us in the comment. And it's me, Kevin, signing out. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye until then, and stay tuned to our channel One to Step.